Poco has finally confirmed the Poco F8 series will be unveiled on November 26th. The F8 series will include 3 models, the Poco F8, F8 Pro, and F8 Ultra. The said event will only see the arrival of the F8 Pro and F8 Ultra. The Poco F8 Pro and F8 Ultra will be tweaked versions of the Redmi K90 and K90 Pro Max, which recently debuted in China. This is the first look Poco F8 Ultra. Phone feature a metal middle frame and carry an IP68/69 rating. The Poco F8 Ultra come with a larger 6.9-inch screen. Use OLED panels supporting 2K resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor. The Poco F8 Ultra Edition could run on the newer Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Offer up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 512GB of UFS 4.1 storage. Poco F8 Ultra feature a 50-megapixel OmniVision Light Fusion 950 primary sensor, 50-megapixel ultra-wide 50-megapixel a 3.5x periscope telephoto lens, a 32-megapixel selfie shooter. The Poco F8 Ultra will include a 6,500 mAh battery. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.